So first of all, let's make sure that we understand what the cost price means. Cost price is how much the store paid for the watch before they decide to sell it. So if they want to make a profit, they have to charge more than the cost price. If they sell the watch for less than the cost price, then they're losing money. So in the first case, we're saying if the watch is sold at a 15% discount, also known as 80%, 85% of the original price, a profit of $550 will be made. So if it is sold for 85% of the original price, someone is buying it for the cost price plus $550. We don't know what the cost price is yet. The second piece of information we're given is that if the watch is sold at a 40% discount, also known as 60% of the original price, they will lose $200. So that will mean $200 less than the cost price. So what is the cost price? Let's take a look at this. Maybe the answer is in examining the difference between a 15% discount and a 40% discount, and seeing what that means. So that's this region right here. So the difference between 85% of the regular price and 60% of the regular price is 25%. So there's 25% in this little area here. At the same time, the difference between a $500 profit and a $200 loss, these cancel out, turn into pluses, is $750. So this region up here describes 25% and $750. From that we can calculate by dividing both sides by 25 that 1% is worth $30. So if at 60% we lose $200, how many more percent will it take before we break even? So somewhere around here, there's a point where we wouldn't make any money. We want to find out how many more percent it would take for that to happen. So if we know that 1% is worth $30, we can divide that $200 loss by 30, and we will get 6.66 repeating percent. So approximately 6.67%. So that means that if we add, that amount to charging, let's go back here. If we add that amount to 60%, we will break even. That gives us 66.67%. And if we figured out that 1% is worth $30, then 66.67% multiply both sides will be worth approximately $2,000. And that's the answer. When charging $2,000, we wouldn't lose or make any money on the watch.